Hi everyone, it's Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy. This is part of the COVID-19, so we're going to do a little shine. We're at the studio here in the cottage at the lake, and so we decided to do a little shine, just myself, just to so everyone can practice at home and do something. Everyone's playing a role, and please be safe, stay at home, practice at home, and to the frontline workers, thank you very much for doing everything possible to keep us safe and keep everything going. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to do our basic. Normally we do a basic like this, but I like to see a basic that comes around. Rotate your body. 6, 7. Now, Susie Q, lift. Susie Q, lift. Susie Q, kick. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Look, give it a shot. Let me know how it goes. And please keep safe. Thank you. And we'll put something else out soon enough. Have a good one. Thanks. Bye.